So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a sword fighting game. So first off, you want to delete the starter sprite. Click paint for a new sprite. Rename this sprite to like your person, and then you will want to create a person that will be like handling that will be like the person that will fight. So this will be your character. So I'm going to be creating my character and then showing you my character ready. It's like a mini ninja person. So what we're going to be doing is first like making some simple like movements. So first we need to make the when green flag clicked, go to negative 13 x and y negative 74. This is going to be our spawn point. You can change it and like put it there if you have like like an NPC and so like here could be like your new coordinates: x negative 172 and y negative 83. Alright, next what we're going to do is add like a jump, we're going to add a jump. And so like for this you might want to add like a copy of this, to like duplicate this, like add like a jumping character, like change your character, make it look as if it's jumping. So I'm going to quickly do that. So this could be it, like it's jumping. And I know it kind of looks weird, but so when spacebar clicked, it can change y by change y by 10 probably, and by 10, so it can seem as if it's jumped. And then change like next switch costume to costume 2, so that will be the jump. So and also make sure you switch costume to costume 1 when clicked. So if we tried it, spacebar, there it jumped up, and now we want it to go back down. So we could add like a weight block, so it could have like a tick. So add like a weight point 1 second, and then we could add like next, and then like change back, so like change y by negative 10, and switch costume to costume 1, so it can be like a normal standing pose. So switch costume to costume 1. Alright, so let's check if this works. So it doesn't work because the thing is way too fast. Let's try 1. There. So that would be like a jump. You can change the Y position if you want to jump like higher. Just make sure it changes Y by the same amount again, or else it would be like a unbalanced position. Alright, so now we got the basic jump. We might as well just change this to 5, so like 0.5, so it can have like a quicker thing. So a jumping pose. So there's that. And if you want like a running pose, so running pose. So we could like make a duplicate again. Let's change this here. Yeah, there. So now we could make like a running position. So this could, like, your arm could be running like that, and so yeah, mostly like this. So here. And if you want to add like extra costumes to make your run, like, because this is just like a basic thing, because this is what's going to make it look like it's running. I'm going to change it when, like, in the next episode, so you guys can see. So now we are going to do when right arrow key pressed, or D key pressed, because that's mostly what people use, WASD. So you could choose that. So I'm going to go for right arrow right now. So when right arrow key pressed, we could point in direction 90, so you look like so you know you're going right, because if we did left, that'd just be awkward. So 90, and then what you want to do is so now you want to change X by 10. We are going to add like calm movement, like realistic movement later on, but this is just for like the beginning. So change X by 10. Okay, and then like so repeat repeat until not blocked from the operators. Repeat until right arrow key not pressed. You could change this to D if you had D right here. Repeat until not right arrow key pressed. We could also switch the costume to costume 3. And then what you want to do is, when you're done doing that, you want to switch your costume back to costume 1, and then you just want to, like, that would mostly be it. So if you were to do that, like, there. So we got like the thing. So yeah. Now we're going to add like a left arrow movement. So you could just like duplicate this, change this to left, and change this also to left arrow. And you could make a custom costume for this. And also make sure when you make the costume, like here I'll make a costume. So this is just going to be like, let's just call this left movement. We need to group this and flip horizontal, so it actually seems as if we're running that way. So now you want to do change costume to left movement, and if we tried like a 90 degree, it wouldn't really work. So just keep it 90 degrees still. Then you also want to change X by -10, because that means if we just keep it 10, then +10, it would just go there. -10 would make it go there, make it go left. And then switch costume to costume 1. So let's test it out. Yes, it works. So those are the movements. We could add like a crouch crouch for the thing. Let's just quickly make it. So you would want to duplicate this. Let's just zoom in. So when down arrow key pressed or S, we could change Y by negative, just by negative, like by just 0. It would change Y by 0. We would just change the, we would just make it crouch. So I wouldn't really say this would be that useful, but like, cause like, it's just as like a down arrow key movement. So we group this, not really group, but like, so we group this part. So group, and we want to move this to be like this. So the legs could be like could have like because it could be like this, and so the legs could have like I know it kind of looks weird, so that could just be like the down movement. It seems as if he broke his ankles. So that just could be like the down movement. So switch costume to costume 4. You can name this to like have like a like keep it organized. Then switch costume to costume 1. Let's test it out. So movement still works. Jumping works. That's it. Also, when arrow key pressed, we would want to add like a repeat until, because then it would be like we would want to like keep it like that. So repeat until you can just duplicate this. Repeat until down arrow key not pressed. So change Y by 0. Switch costume to costume 4 and wait 0.5 seconds, and then you could add this. Make sure you remove the change Y by 10, because that will just make your character start moving down. And yeah, that's basically it. So like there. So and yeah, that's the movements. And this is the first episode. And keep in mind, I will like upload another video tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. And yeah, so in the next video we will cover like getting the sword ready, and creating a platform for the person to stand on, having gravitational pull, and yeah, that's mostly it. Thanks for watching.